So, 3 chicken wings na combo. May kasama siyang coleslaw, spicy. Tapos, yung hindi ko na napikran yung rice na may seaweed. Then, the cheddar stick for the chicken. Because I opted for the spicy one. Pwede rin yung umorder ng soy garlic, pero opted ko talaga yung spicy. Sobrang sarap. Kasi kung pwede ka lang dagdagan yung rice ko ng 3 noodles. Kasi sobrang sarap. It's so worth it.
So here it is. Pagpasok mo ng door, that's the bathroom. This is the vanity. Okay, may outlets naman dyan. Television. I'm just charging my phone, so I couldn't get away. AC na sakto lang, pero hindi naman siya lumalamig talaga. Kulang pa rin yung lamig. Ayun, some sockets near the bed and the bed itself. So, wala na. Ding-ding na lang siya dyan. The thing is, hindi ko alam na meron palang common area sa baba. So, pagbaba ko, there are rooms left and right. At the end of the hall, merong kitchen. Maraming plates, spoon and fork, mugs. Merong sink at may refrigerator. Pati na rin yung water dispenser. So, nanghinayang na ako sa binili kong coffee cups na magkano rin naman to? 2.40 ringgit for these pieces. Na pwede naman para akong makigamit ng mug doon at ibalik na lang para hugasan. I didn't know. They didn't tell me. Maybe they were trying to tell me but couldn't because of language, difficulty. Language barrier. So, yeah, at least I got to know how nice this place is. Kasi nga, meron naman silang common area. May pinaprovide sila ng kitchenware or let's say silverware to people who need them. So, there. Morning. me potato, hindi siya rice. Mashed potato and soft drinks. So that's all for my lunch. Ito lang yung ano nila. Hindi talaga sila nagbigay ng rice kasi hindi yun yung nilagay ko. Okay. I'm gonna eat now. So, nandito pa rin ako day 2, February 4. I wanna go out to swim kasi hapon naman na. So, sabi nila maganda raw yung Telok Chempedak ng hapon around 5 p.m. onwards kasi, di ba, hindi na ganun kainit ng 5 p.m. And then, 7 p.m. naman yung sunset. So, meron daw kasi usually nagko-fire dance doon, parang Boracay. So, that's what I've been wanting to see. Kaya lang, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Hindi talaga kaya. Wala naman tayong dalang payong. Hassle naman din kung bibili pa kasi mabigat. Dagdag sa bagahin dala. At saka, hindi rin magandang mag-swim ng sobrang malakas na ulan. Parang may monsoon rains talaga eh. Mula kaninang, siguro mga before lunchtime. And I think, change of plans. Bukas, I'll try my best. Dahil hindi ako nakapagsimba kanina, kailangan madaanan ko yung St. Thomas Church of Kuantan kasi isa yun sa mga Jubilee churches ng 2025 at isa rin yun sa reasons kung ba't ako nagpunta dito talaga. So, 6:45 in the morning, I'd have to see that, go to that church and attend the mass. And then after that, diretso na ako sa Telok Chempedak. Kasi mag-check out ako dito ng 12 noon, so kailangan mag-swimming na ako ng maaga. Kasi hindi naman siguro magiging okay kung after ko mag-check out ng haling tapat ako mag-swim. So, that's going to be the plan for now. And I'll see you later. So, it's 7:09 p.m. Hindi ako makalabas kasi sobrang lakas pa rin ng ulan outside. So, there's no option left for me. Pero, kundi magpa-grab food na lang ng dinner. Kasi wala, antok na rin ako. Sayang yung halos buong half day ko. But anyway, that's just how life is. So, hopefully tomorrow makapag-swimming ako kasi yung lakad ko talaga, yung reason kung ba't ako nag-Kuantan is the Jubilee Church and the Telok Chempedak. So, yeah. I'll see you then. Hi, here's my food for dinner. Second day, February 4th. Char siu pork with rice. Syempre, dumpling soup na masarap. And of course, I had my own coffee. Hindi ako bumili ng drinks kasi nadagdag pa siya sa gastos. So, may tira pa akong chicken dyan, Texas chicken. See if makain ko pa siya ngayon. Pero feeling ko, pupuntat na ako dito today. So, there. That's my dinner. And that's it. Today, I'm going to Telok Chempedak. How beautiful that is. Yung pagsama ng alon sa bato. Beautiful. But there's so many names and things. Not sure what kind of food this is. is my breakfast. We're at McDonald's. It's a good place because it's near the beach. It's really a few meters away. So I am back here in the guest house. Tapos mag-check out ako in about 45 minutes. I really did not expect to feel this way, na parang nakakalungkot iwanan yung place. It's very plain. First when I got here, medyo malungkot ako kasi wala namang wardrobe. Very basic. Oh, talagang room lang and a desk. And then the private bathroom, yung bintana is looking out the hallway. Nothing really special. AC, of course. And I can't even watch the TV because usually local shows yung ipapalabas, so I didn't use the TV at all. There's no microwave oven, there's no personal fridge, none. Pero yung feel ng place, very homey, and pagbalik ko ng KL, I would say na talagang na-refresh naman ako and I would be ready to face another day at work again. So, ayun lang. I'm heading later to the St. Thomas Church. One of the Jubilee churches. So, sana talaga makapunta ako doon. Hindi man ako makapag-misa, at least makapag-pay ako ng visit and respect to the Lord. So, today is February 5th. 11:35 p.m. Uwi na ako sa Astor Residences after my 3 days and 2 nights of vacation.